What is up, Hollywood stars? Welcome back to another video. Hello, if you're new here, my name is Slo. Thank you so much for watching this video, and of course subscribe down below so you keep up with this Hollywood star family. And if you're a returning subscriber, hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided, let me go ahead and film for you guys my quarantine beauty haul, quarantine makeup haul, because you guys, for the past 3 months, I feel like all I did was just sit on my computer and try to find good deals. And boy, can I tell you, I found really good deals. So if you want to see what I got for this quarantine beauty haul slash makeup haul, then definitely keep watching. And as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's Slow Hollywood time. Okay, you guys, so I have a bunch of different things here that I got from Ulta, Anastasia, Urban Decay. So I'm just gonna start with the Anastasia stuff since that's what's here first. So I went to Anastasia just like I'm telling you guys, I literally just was looking for good deals. So I would go on all the websites and see what they had. So I hadn't shopped at the actual Anastasia website in such a long time. And I was like, let me just go, you know, browse it. And oh my God, you guys, they were having a sale. So they have 30% off any item of your choice. They were giving away a free makeup bag if you spend a certain amount. And they were also giving away a free liquid glow, which I was like, wow, this is a good deal. So the first thing that I got was the Amrezy palette. You guys, I had to get this. I had been eyeing this palette since it came out, and when it came out, I was broke, so I could not afford this. So after being quarantined and saving a little bit of money since I went back to my parents' house, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna splurge. So I bought this beautiful baby. By the way, this whole makeup, or actually like the eyeshadow, basically I did a whole tutorial of my first impressions using this palette. It should be out already, so I'll definitely link it down below, and I'll maybe put a card up here. So yeah, I got the Amrezy palette. So this retails for $49. I got the 30% off of this, so I got it for $34, which is honestly really, really good. And I'm so happy I did. So that's the first item. Sorry if I'm looking down, it's because I have my little order confirmation here. Next, I got the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette box. So this is the box that I got. So the reason why I got this was because I had been loving her like volume 1, volume 2, volume 3, etc. Like those palettes, the pro palettes, are so freaking beautiful, and I don't have any, so I'm like, I really want to get one. So they had this box in there, and this box comes with the full-size palette, but it also comes with the full-size eyeshadow primer. Okay, so I went ahead and I picked this one up because it had both items in here, and you got both of them for $70. The palette itself retails for $60, and the primer full size retails for $27, I believe. So that's $87, and I got this for $70, so that's like a $17 save. So I was like, yes. So I actually saved some money getting this. So this is what it comes with. So pretty. I haven't even used it either, but it does come with the full-size eye base. So here it is. I definitely want to do like a first impressions on this palette. And then this is the palette. I'm sure you guys have seen it all over. Let me just show it to you guys. This is huge. Like I knew they were big, but I didn't get how big they are like in person. Like it's insane. They also feel very heavy, very sturdy. Let me open her up. Ooh, it's so pretty. So this is what it looks like. Oh my God, isn't it beautiful? So I was like, yes, like I am for sure getting this palette. So basically, after I bought these two things, I qualified for the free gift, which is the makeup bag, and then I also qualified for the liquid glow, which I was like, oh my God, that's such a good steal, right? So let me show you those. So this is the really cute makeup bag. So it just says Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then it has a little tassel. Actually, it has 2 zippers, and then from the back it's basically just clear. So that's super pretty. I'm really excited that I got this. Like I don't think they usually do makeup bags, at least I haven't seen that, so I felt like super lucky. So this is the Liquid Glow highlight, and I just chose the shade Perla. I feel like I don't own these, but I feel like I did have it at one point. And I'm just not the greatest with liquid highlighters, so I'll definitely have to play around with this a little bit. Maybe use it for like the body or something. But yeah, I'm really happy I got these two gifts. Okay, so I guess next I'll just go into this Ulta haul. So the first thing that I got was this OPI Nail Envy Strength and Color. So this has wheat protein, and this one basically, oh my god, I love this, you guys. Like, my nails look kind of weird right now, but these are my real nails, and I have been using this for, I don't even know, like a couple years now, maybe like 3-4 years. And I have repurchased this so many times. The only difference with this one is they didn't have the original formula, so I got this one, which is basically the same thing. The only difference is that it has this, a little bit of a pink tint to it. So I figured that would be cute, like if I want to do like a French tip or something. It's not completely, you know, like neutral, but this works, you guys. So if you want your natural nails to be really strong and not break easily and grow, this is the formula for you. The next thing that I got was this Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. So if you've seen my Ordinary videos, you know how obsessed I'm with this brand. Not only is it very affordable, but it definitely works really well. So this is kind of like just like a beauty treatment that you do. So you're supposed to wash your face, put it on, let it dry. So this is gonna basically help with like texture and like just the tone of your overall skin. So I'm very excited to use this one. I'm sure you guys have seen this one around because it's the most, I feel like it's really popular on YouTube. A lot of people use it, and it's the one that looks red basically in the bottle. So kind of looks black right here, but it has a hint of red. So I'm very excited to use this, guys. I'm probably going to do like an updated Ordinary videos, so definitely be in the lookout for that. Okay, so I finally picked up the Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Spray. I haven't even used this, so I'm excited to see if it works because you guys know how oily I am. I should probably use some right now. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, I think my thing is like broken. Okay, yeah, I don't know what just happened. I'm like, it's not supposed to spray like that. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so irritated. Did this really just break? I don't even know. Let's see. I don't know. Like, I feel like mine's broken. Oh my god. Like, I don't remember. I don't even know how to fix it. Oh wait, I think I just popped it into place. Oh my god, now it's not working. Are you serious right now? Oh my god. Why? Okay, well, I hope I can fix that. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But anyways, so I also picked up the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primers. I've heard so many great things about these. I did use the mattifying one, and this one works actually really good. I heard that they were pretty much a dupe for the Tatcha one, which I haven't used the poreless one, but the mattifying, it does feel very similar to that consistency, and it honestly worked very well. And you guys know I have really oily skin, so I'm excited to try the poreless. Finally, also decided to pick up these little bite-sized eyeshadows from e.l.f. because you guys know these are $3. Like, what the heck? These are insane, you guys. Like, I haven't played around with this one, but honestly the colors are so beautiful. This is in the shade Acai. I love the colors of that one. I also picked up the green one because this one looks really pretty. I think I only used the gold one in this one, and oh my god, let me tell you guys, it's freaking creamy. There's no fallout, no kickback, nothing. So I'm very excited to just use all of these in my eyes. I also got a whole bunch of concealers because, like I said, you guys, I was looking for deals, and let me tell you, they had deals. So they had a deal for Makeup Revolution. I believe they I don't remember exactly the deal, but they basically, if you spend like 25, 35, they took $10 off. So I got my favorite concealer ever, which is this Makeup Revolution one. So I got the shade C2 because that's the shade that I love using. It's very bright. But I also picked up this white concealer, so it's just white, and this one I figured I could probably put in my client kit just to kind of make concealers a little bit lighter and whatnot. So those are the concealers that I got from Makeup Revolution. I also picked up the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I've heard so many amazing things about this concealer, so I can't wait to try it. And I picked up one more concealer. You guys, all of these concealers, I've heard great things. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. And this one, I've heard wonders from it. So I'm very excited to try this one out as well. So next I picked up a lip gloss. So this is the So Juicy Lip Gloss by ColourPop. So actually my friend Caesar, he loves these ones and he always recommended me to try them out. So I was finally like, okay, let me just try it out and see how it works. So I only picked up one of them, but this one is in the shade Dress Code. And it looks really, really pretty. His lips always look so nice and so full and juicy. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it a go. So thank you, Caesar. I'm gonna go ahead and see how I like it, which I'm sure I will. But yeah, I'm excited to try it out. And then I picked up a few items from Kylie Cosmetics, also from Ulta. So I got 2 of her lipsticks because they also had a deal. I can't remember, sorry. I'm like, this was like so long ago. I literally ordered this so long ago, probably like 2 months or something like that. So I got the shades Creme Brulee and Butterscotch because I've been really into nudes lately, and now I feel like I have a lot of nudes, but right before I started purchasing all of these, I felt like I had only like colorful colors. So let me just show you guys what the actual color looks like. So this is the Creme Brulee one, and this is a cream lipstick. So this is what it looks like. So it's a beautiful nude shade. I love how it says Kylie right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like a really pretty shade. The other one is the Butterscotch. It's also a cream. Oh my god, what the heck, you guys? This one came like messed up in the tube. Ugh, super irritating, but the color looks really pretty as well. Whatever, we'll just have to live with that. You know, like, it's just like, I feel like it kind of melted on top of here, but I'm glad it's not like really messed up. Otherwise, oh my god, this is just turning into like a disaster. I also picked up a lip gloss from Kylie because I've heard her formula is amazing regarding lip glosses. So this is the one that I picked up. It's called Clear, which I guess it's a clear one. So Clear with a K. So this is what it is. So it is pretty much clear with a hint of pink. So I'm very excited to try it out. So leave me a comment down below regarding some of these products if you've tried them and what you think about them. I would love to know. And if you're not subscribed, you can subscribe right now. And then I did pick up a bunch of NYX lip liners because you guys, I had not tried them out. Like, oh my god, like, who do I think I am? I hadn't tried them out and I had heard so many things about them. They were also having a sale on these lip liners, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just pick some up right now. So I got, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, I got 9 different shades. Mainly I got a lot of neutral shades, and then I got both the 2 different formulas. I got the, let's see, what are these called? Professional, oh my god, I don't know. So one of the formulas is the suede lip liners, and then the other one I believe is just like the regular formula. So I'll probably also do a video just like swatching all of these, but yeah, I'm really excited for these. And then next I got a whole bunch of nude lipsticks. So I got one from e.l.f. This one I think was only like, I don't know, something like $3 or like $1, I don't know. But this is the Seriously Satin lipstick. And then I don't think this one has a name, but it's just a beautiful nude color. I got 2 from Maybelline. This is in the shade Truffle Tease. I did use this one and I actually really love this color. It's like a really pretty brown. The main reason why I bought, and then this one is Nude Lust 920. This one also looks super pretty. They were also having a sale on these lipsticks. It was like buy one get one half off. But I mainly got these lipsticks for these Revlon ones, specifically the matte Macadamia. So this color, you guys, looks amazing, like so bomb. Very nude, very pale. I'm very excited to use this one. And the reason why I found out about these are from Raw Beauty Christy. I believe she had mentioned this a couple times and it looks so pretty on her. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna pick it up. So I got that one, and then I also got Matitude, and this is more of like a taupey brown. Also really pretty. Okay, so I also picked up from Fenty Beauty, I picked up the Butter Setting Powder. So I love the Huda one. Oh my god, that is like the bomb.com. The Fit Me powder is amazing, and everybody also raves about the Fenty one, so I figured let me just pick it up. So yeah, I'm excited to try it out. This is in the shade Butter. From Urban Decay, I had to pick up my favorite setting spray, which is the All Nighter. This one I believe was buy one get one free, so I said let's just throw it in the bag. And then finally, I picked up this palette. It's a C palette, and this one is from Amazon. So this is it right here. I'm honestly disappointed on the size of this because it's honestly kind of small, and I believe this was like $10, so I thought it would be bigger. But yeah, you guys, that's basically everything I purchased for my quarantine makeup haul. So let me know how you like this video. Give this video a like because that lets me know you like this kind of content, like hauls and stuff like that. So that concludes this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye.